Is your BT YouView box constantly cutting out or losing signal? These frustrating interruptions have specific causes, and fortunately, many can be resolved with immediate troubleshooting steps. The most common causes of YouView box failures fall into three categories. Power supply unit problems account for sudden shutdowns, often occurring during high-demand operations. Overheating from poor ventilation causes thermal shutdowns after extended use. Signal-related issues stem from weak signal strength, poor cable connections, or interference. Step 1 is performing a complete power cycle. This resolves many software glitches and temporary hardware issues. Unplug the power cable completely from your YouView box, wait exactly 30 seconds to allow capacitors to discharge, then reconnect and power on. Step 2 focuses on preventing thermal shutdowns through proper ventilation. Your YouView box needs at least 6 inches of clearance on all sides for adequate airflow. Remove any dust buildup from vents, avoid placing the box in enclosed cabinets, and ensure air vents are not blocked by objects or walls. Step 3 involves inspecting all cable connections. Loose or damaged cables are a frequent cause of signal drops. Check that the aerial cable is firmly connected with no loose fittings. Inspect cables for damage, bends, or wear. Ensure HDMI connections are secure, and if using internet features, verify the Ethernet cable connection. Step 4 uses the YouView box's built-in diagnostics to check signal strength and quality. Access this through Settings, then System, then Signal Test. You need a minimum of 50% signal strength for stable operation, but signal quality is actually more important than raw strength. If readings are poor, your aerial may need realignment, or you may have interference issues. These 4 immediate troubleshooting steps resolve the majority of YouView box issues. Power cycling clears temporary glitches, proper ventilation prevents overheating, secure connections ensure stable signals, and diagnostic testing identifies signal problems. These simple checks can save you time and avoid unnecessary service calls. When basic troubleshooting steps fail to resolve your YouView box issues, a factory reset can address potential software corruption that may be causing persistent problems. Signal quality issues, particularly in rural areas, often require aerial realignment. This process can significantly improve your signal strength and reduce dropouts. Keeping your YouView box firmware up to date is crucial for stability. Recent updates have focused on thermal management and signal processing improvements. For persistent issues that software solutions cannot resolve, professional hardware diagnostics can assess internal components like the power supply, hard drive, and cooling system. BT is implementing advanced AI-powered diagnostics to predict failures before they occur, along with cloud-based processing to reduce stress on local hardware components. Regular maintenance can prevent up to 70% of common YouView box issues. Simple preventative measures like regular restarts and proper ventilation are highly effective.